Scotty, congratulations. First of all, your thoughts on that final play. Napakaganda na execute.
Well, thank you Lord. It was classic game by Kuya LA. So, thank you kay Kuya LA. Binigyan kami ng another chance pa na mas makarating sa finals.
Nung game 5, sinabi niya na hindi pa tapos. And could you talk about yung sa character ng buong squad?
Credit to the whole team, no? Talagang walang sumuko, lumaban hanggang dulo. So whatever it is, at least manalo-matalo ngayon. At the end of the day, basta binigay namin yung best na yun yung importante. Right?
Di mo hiningi yung play? Yung KLA talaga yung play?
Well, nag-draw si Lusin na 2-8, no? 2-8 and nakakuha ng breakdown. Nakakuha ng breakdown. Luckily, nakita ko si KLA. Classic, legend, idol. Wala mo sabi. Thank you.
Thank you. Kaya nag